What's good, everybody? I know when you normally see me on here, I'm talking about ways to improve your videos through video editing and camera gear. But today I'm going to be looking at how to upgrade your computer RAM and if that makes a difference in video editing. So stick around and we'll get to it. Okay, I just want to start off by saying I am not a tech guru. If you're looking for a deep dive into that lane, this may not be the video for you because I'm going to be specifically talking about how this upgrade improves my video editing workflow, if it does that. So that's what we're going to be testing today. I hope you enjoyed that short tutorial of me upgrading my RAM and my Mac computer. I will leave a card right here of the video that I watched that helped me through that install. So if you have the same computer, you could do the same yourself. This is coming from me, like don't know anything about computers, RAM, any of that. So if I can do it, I know you can do it. Let's talk about the performance test that I pulled this week. I exported a video that for my fuel series. If you haven't seen that, that's on my main page. You can click this card that I'm going to put up right here again, or you could just go to the main page and watch that video. Super dope. But I exported that video, and on the 8 gigabytes of RAM, the video took 2 minutes and 30 seconds to export. On the 40 gigabytes of RAM, it took about a minute and 25 seconds. So overall, great improvement on that, especially if you're exporting longer videos and larger files. You should see a difference in your exporting times. Also, I was doing some work in Adobe After Effects, and I noticed that I didn't have to drop down my resolution to really increase my playback speed. I was able to work on a project at full resolution for the whole time. Didn't really run into any issues with it crashing or slowing down. Now my computer fan kicked on. That's pretty normal for a computer. It would kick on earlier with my 8 gigabytes of RAM, so I noticed that it wasn't really kicking on as much as it normally did. So I was happy about that as well. And one of my favorite differences that I noticed is I was able to actually multitask a lot smoother with this new setup. Oftentimes when I'm color grading, I like to have YouTube videos open and playing, or music playing in the background, or just any streaming services open on my computer as I'm color grading. And most of the times on the 8 gigabytes, I noticed that it would slow down a little bit or run into little moments when I just had to give my computer a quick second break to catch up. But with this new setup, it was so smooth. I didn't have to worry about anything. And yeah, it was great. And trust me, I'm not just saying this to say it. I really sat down with it. This is, like I said, this is day 5. I wanted to make sure that I really, sat down and worked on this setup. I didn't want to just give you a quick review on that first day. Like I said, you can't really go wrong. Like, this is, especially if you have a computer where you can easily access your your RAM, I would say upgrade it. That would be the #1 thing to do. You can never have too much computing power as a video creator, because I know we're always expanding, always thinking of bigger ideas. And it would be good to, have that extra space to do whatever you want to do in the future. And it's pretty affordable, honestly. When you start to talk about RAM and installing it, the prices normally go up pretty quick. So I'm like, there's no way I could just buy this RAM for this cheap and install it myself and then come away with the same results as if I would go to another shop. Now, I don't want to compare this to what Apple RAM or what they may put in if you take it to their shop. But I just want to say that the results that I got from this was phenomenal for the price that I paid for it, which was really affordable. And just installing it myself to cut back on costs and seeing how easy that was, it was just like a no-brainer to do it, you know. So thank you guys for watching. If you've been thinking about upgrading, definitely do it. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video.